Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Bithumb Wallet, your go-to solution for managing cryptocurrencies securely and efficiently. In this video, we'll explore the standout features of Bithumb Wallet, what sets it apart from other crypto wallets, and how to use it effectively. Bithumb Wallet is designed with user security in mind, offering robust measures such as multi-layered encryption and two-factor authentication to keep your assets safe. The intuitive interface makes it easy even for beginners to navigate through wallet functions. Whether you're sending, receiving, or exchanging cryptocurrencies, Bithumb Wallet provides a seamless experience. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins, ensuring flexibility for diverse portfolios. With fast transaction speeds and minimal fees, Bithumb Wallet is well suited for both frequent traders and long-term holders. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Bithumb Wallet also offers a mobile app, allowing you to manage your digital assets on the go. Its sleek design and responsiveness ensure that you can monitor your portfolio and perform transactions anytime, anywhere. The integration of advanced blockchain technology means that your funds are not only secure, but also accessible when you need them. Furthermore, Bithumb Wallet provides detailed transaction histories and real-time market updates, giving you the tools to stay informed about your crypto activities. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or an experienced trader, Bithumb Wallet has something to offer. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like to stay updated with more crypto reviews and guides.